Yes sir, rise and grind, good people. Back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2018 Ford Transit. We're going to be doing the spark plugs on it. It's got some hesitation upon acceleration when it hitting the gas. You can feel it kind of jerking. So spark plugs will help that. Let's get it. Got our spark plugs, Motorcraft. Always go with your Motorcraft spark plugs in Fords. It's recommended. Alright, we got 8 mil. Get those coil packs out and take these, press that in, and take those out. Pull all those out. Get your 5/8 socket, deep socket, and an extension. Alright, we get them out. I don't know what's going on with that one. It's the part number. The anti-seize going on. Got a whole bottle. That's what we doing. Put it on the threads. I took my brush. That's it. Alright, once you get them in there, I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall your spark plug coil packs. Alright, you get those in there. That's gonna be it for that service, man. Quick spark plug replacement. Hope the video helped out. Until next time, the Pull-Up King.